Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm trying to make golden slime. I went to Target today and I bought some stuff like that. I bought golden paint to make golden slime and two bottle glue, whatever, and concealer solution and gonna be using this. So I'm gonna pick you guys up a little because I'm gonna need space. So okay. So first I'm gonna open my glue bottle and empty it. So guys, this is my second bottle of glue. So I also have a fork here. There's glue in it because I'm like emptying it out. Okay guys, so I poured the whole glue in. So now I'm gonna open the paint. I'm gonna get a napkin instead. There we go. So I cleaned it and now I'm gonna open it. Okay, so there's some on my fork and now I'm gonna put it in here. That was a lot. Okay guys, so I'm gonna turn this into a golden color and I'll be back with you. So guys, I think I'm just gonna use the whole thing because anyways, I'm not that creative, like I'm not a DIY person much, so just gonna use the whole thing. It is turning out into a golden color. That's the good thing. I never done golden slime, neither have to my friends, I guess, because I never seen them bring some golden slime to school. And yes, we do bring slime to school, but we play with it at Boys and Girls Club, so yeah. Okay, I'm gonna be mixing this for a while, so I'll be with you guys in a little. Okay? I guess she wants to be in the video because she just jumped into my lap. I guess she thought I was eating something, but yeah, I'm not. Okay guys, so I'm done mixing it. Say hi. So if you're new to our channel, her name is Lucy. Yeah. She's still here though. Okay, don't go down, because you're gonna fall. So guys, now I'm gonna open this. And guys, when I went to LA, I showered her. And there's like this thing for dogs, and I bought it for her. She has a pink dog food plate now. It's really little. And now she smells a lot like perfume because that shampoo and conditioner and like spray thingamajig smells a lot like perfume. So now she smells a lot like perfume. So whoever created that, that's good, but like it's way too strong. And I only used like a little bit. So I never used this, guys. So I'm gonna pour it in. And it comes with two. So yeah, I'm using this one right now. But yeah, let's mix. So the reason why, guys, I'm using this is because I was testing out a golden glue when I put Orbeez in my slime, in my purple one. The reason why I don't want to use my detergent is because it might turn it green once you mix it, and it might start like not getting good. So I'm like, what if I use something clear? And yeah, that's why I asked my mom if we could go to Target, and yes, we went. Oh, okay, maybe I shouldn't have done that. I maybe shouldn't have done that. Okay, that's bad. So guys, it is turning into slime, but it's just really sticky, so I'm gonna need a lot of island solution. So I'm gonna start using my hands. It's really sticky, guys. Oh, okay, I should keep it open. What the? Ew, gross. I keep on spraying my face. So I'm just gonna pour it in the corner because if I pour it on the slime, it's gonna spray it on my face. Okay guys, so I'm gonna start like kneading this and trying to get it to be not sticky, and then I'll be back with you. Okay guys, here it is. So I'm gonna take some of it out. hand has paint in it. So there it is, guys. It actually did work. I'm so proud. And yeah. If you guys want to make golden slime, there it is. It looks kind of like butter, not really. But if you want to make it really really golden, then you should buy like 2 bottles of paint, because I thought I would only need 1, but since I got 2 bottles of glue, I should have bought 2 bottles of golden paint, but yeah, instead I didn't. So yeah, sorry about that. But yeah, it did turn out pretty good. So yeah, if you guys want to make it, do that. So yeah, hopefully you guys enjoyed this video. Make sure to give it, my fingers are so wrinkly because I did use a lot of this thingamajig. So yeah, if you did, make sure to give it a big thumbs up. Comment down below if you ever made golden slime, or yeah, if I should make more golden slime. I don't know. But yeah, next time I should be careful because I have golden paint on my hands. So that's not my skin. So and there is glue. There's glue right there, guys. That's not my skin. So yeah, comment down below and subscribe to my channel if you're new. Turn on the notification bell, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye.